In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a CDN or content delivery network for your website hosted with Hostinger. If you're aiming to optimize your site's speed and enhance performance for visitors across the globe, enabling a CDN is a crucial step. So let's delve into how you can seamlessly activate the CDN feature using Hostinger. To start with, you should first head over to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the access point for your Hostinger account where you can manage all your web hosting services and settings. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. Enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. The next move is to look for a tab on the menu called Websites. This section is the hub for managing your individual websites hosted under your account. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your Hostinger account. Once you've selected the Websites option, direct your attention to the Website dashboard. The Website dashboard offers an array of configuration settings and performance tools tailored to suit your website's needs. Click on Dashboard to access detailed options related to the management of your website. Now that you've entered your website's dashboard, it's time to focus on enhancing site performance. To do this, click on Performance. This section is specifically designed to improve the speed and reliability of your website. From loading times to overall visitor experience, everything can benefit from adjustments made here. Finally, within the Performance section, look for an option labeled CDN. Click on it and you'll see an option to enable CDN. Click on Enable to activate the service for your website. By enabling CDN, you'll effectively increase the speed and performance of your site by storing cached versions of your pages in various geographical locations. This means that when someone visits your site, they will load data from a server closest to their location, reducing load times and enhancing user experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to enabling CDN using Hostinger. Remember, by utilizing a CDN, you're not only enhancing your site's speed, but also its global accessibility, which is a major advantage if you have international visitors. With this setup, you're well on your way to ensuring a faster, more efficient web experience for everyone visiting your website. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!